And from me is a THL T7, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode on the device. So to do it, we'll need to open up settings, and you can either find it in the app drawer right here, maybe somewhere on the home page, or just by simply pulling down the notification, and it's always going to be here. So you can tap on it and then go to the battery. And from here you have the three little dots right here, so you can tap on it and then battery saver. And from here you can check it on, be enabled, and now it's going to be enabled. And you can also tap on the automatic one, and as you can see by default it's set to never. You can select that it will automatically enable at 5% battery or 15% battery. So it's a matter of a preference which one you like. And basically now even if it's off at 15% battery, it will turn on by itself to preserve the battery. So that is basically how you enable the battery saving mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.